everyone, it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you what it's like being a Amazon Flex driver, and today we're going to do the Amazon.com route, which is delivering the packages straight from the warehouse. So I'm going to show you in depth, everything that this covers, and I wanted to make this video because I feel like there aren't enough videos out there to truly show you what to expect from your first time. So right now we're waiting in line, and this is normal. There's always a line when you're waiting before your shift. My shift today is from 4:30 to 7:30. So Corey's here filming, and we got here at 4:14. You can check in on the app 15 minutes prior, and I will show you what that looks like. It looks like we're moving up right now.
You've arrived. Navigation.
So I've got to take a photo. Took the photo, and see, now it says you can pick a route. And since the coronavirus is going on right now, picking up the route is actually going to be a little different. We scan our license from inside the car, and then they'll bring the cart to us. But that's the only difference. If the coronavirus, once it settles down and things go back to normal, you just show your okay. So once the coronavirus goes back to normal, you will get out. Once you get in line, you'll get out, and then you will go inside the warehouse. They'll scan your ID, and then they'll bring a cart. You scan the cart, and then start scanning the packages, and it's as simple as that. Show my phone. This is what it looks like inside of the things to pick up, and then I'm just filling my cart and separating them by address. So when it's finished, it'll say you're all set to go. 30 packages picked up, swipe to finish. And then, let's see. And then it'll just tell you the route you have.
Navigation started. Head west. Then in 350 feet turn left onto North Hoover Road.
And always have your blinkers on, your flashers, and just be extra cautious when you're leaving the warehouse. There, you'll just scan the little barcode, and then once you scan that, you just take it to their front porch. So let me see how hot it is. It is 80 degrees out and I am in long sleeves, and I get hot really quick, so I don't know why I wore long sleeves today. So I just finished my route. I had in total 31 packages. It's 7:09 and my shift was from 4:30 to 7:30, and I finished early. I would have finished earlier, but I had a difficulty at one of the earlier stops. It was an apartment complex, and you're supposed to deliver to the front desk, but coronavirus, they're not accepting packages. So I had to find her apartment, and that took some time, but all in all, I finished early. I normally finish early, usually 15 to 30 minutes early. So that's everything that is the Amazon.com flex route. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.